Hey there, YouTube. Uh, got my newest project here, and before I get started, it's kind of windy and I've got a cold, so excuse me if I start coughing. But this is my newest project. It's a little barbecue pit and smoker. It's got a 2-inch intake valve and a 1.5-inch exhaust. I got the thermometer here on the lid. Used to be a propane tank. I kept the nameplate on it just as a cool little reminder. I made a little ashtray on here because the fire kept getting burnt out by suffocated by the ashes, and then I went ahead and used a 2-inch by 1/4-inch square tubing to mount it to a truck. I've drilled it for 5/8 hitch pins at I think 4 inches and 10 inches so that you can put it down while you're traveling and then move it up to where it's easier for you to access while you're cooking. And I also drilled it in 2 different directions so that you can mount it all 4 directions if you wanted to. This is just a base I made for a table while I was in college, but I've got a hitch adapter that you can put in your hitch with a 90-degree turn on it so that I can slide this into it and pin it in there. But I've got a little chain here with a quick link on it so that I can take the lid off if I want to. And then I got these hinges from the steel yard. And I also made a stainless steel ashtray so that the firebox down here won't get burnt out so fast, and it fits in there pretty good. And then I painted it high temp silver and black, kind of a two-tone thing. And then inside we got our thermometer probe and our exhaust. And then I made this stainless steel plate to put in here. The purpose of that is that the air comes in over there, stokes the fire, ashes fall down, all that good stuff. But then when it goes down, the smoke comes out over your meat or vegetables or whatever, and then out the stack. A friend of mine told me about this idea and thought it was a pretty neat idea, so I decided I'd try it. And it works pretty well. I made a venison ham on here a couple weeks ago, and it turned out really nice. But I'm gonna make a couple bigger ones, see how that turns out. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them there for me and I'll get back to you. Thanks.